What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number one priority. As you can hear, I've been sick for a few days, still making videos every day, so make sure you give this video a thumbs up for making videos while I'm sick, and especially I'm going to do a $300 survival backpack. This brand is pretty awesome. I have done a $200 survival backpack, so let's see what this one is all about. First of all, it's pretty huge. It is very heavy. It is stuffed with goodies. It sits comfortably as well. So let's open it up and see what's inside. So top pocket, I really like this stuff. You can put in like a sleeping bag or whatever. It's adjustable. Extra thick bath wipes, very nice. Look, we got two of them. A whole bunch of 6-inch snap light. This is very powerful glow sticks. I'd call them tactical. This is their brand knife. I like those knives. They're about $5, but you can really beat them up. Fire steel, fire striker right here. Ooh, I love these spoons. Sporks and a fork and a knife on our side. Looks like per person. And we are done with this. Next pocket. I like how it's on clips, so you can really make it tighter or you can make it bigger. Right now it's on a bigger setting, but I feel like you can stuff more stuff. And again, you can plug this in and make it tighter, so the backpack does not sit so thick. You want it as skinny as possible. Everything stays together so it doesn't shake around inside there while you hiking. Also, you can unclip everything and unzip all the way out. Oh wait, we wanna check what's inside of this backpack. This is emergency blankets, 4 of them. So looks like this is a 4-person survival backpack. And there is fire starters. I have put those to the test. They're really nice. Okay, then we can unfold this whole thing. How cool is that? A really thick backpack, I like it. Ooh, camping food in this giant Ziploc bag. I really like the Ziploc bags idea, kind of keep everything separate a little bit. But looks like I never seen anything like that before. No, I did test this company, Vice Company, I think that's pronounced. But look, mac and cheese, and there's a different type of food inside here. Creamy pasta chicken. So, and it's all creamy pasta chicken. No, there's different teriyaki chicken and creamy pasta chicken and mac and cheese. I really like that a lot. You know, food is very important. Bag out bags. This is boil 2 cups of water, add wait 15 minutes and eat. So this is really easy. I'm gonna seal it back up because I might need it one day. This stuff does not go bad for many years. Each food item stays good differently, depends what it is. But I've seen those freeze-dried items don't go bad for 30-something years. Okay, got right here another water filtration system. I have so many of these things at home now. Good. I'm all ready and prepared. Wow, looks like there is a couple sections of backpack. This top section is all done. Very nice. Okay, what is this? Cooking system, yes! I love cooking systems. No way, is this like a folding wood stove? It's quite heavy. I don't know if I would go with that one because you can always start a fire. You see, this is a folding wood stove. I have put that to the test, but it's so heavy. It's too much for your backpack, bag out bag. So I like this item, but not for camping. If you have to hike for a long time, you can always find like 4 rocks, build a little fire, or even suspend this over the fire with 3 sticks. It is very easy. So, but the cooking pots is really nice. I have seen those before. I actually have a couple of them. Anyways, now we're gonna, whoa, it opens right here on the inside. I really like this backpack. What is that? It's looks like survival kits, but I like how it builds up. Most unimportant stuff you put to the bottom. First aid kit right here. Looks like 81 piece. Let's open this, okay, and find out what's in here. Okay, there's gloves, there's tape, there's bandage, aspirin or non-aspirin, aspirin and ibuprofen, wipes. You know what I really like? That triple antibiotic ointment. That's like heaven on the wounds because they seal them so quick. Kills all the bacteria, but I do not see it. No, antibiotic ointment, neomycin ointment. Okay, everything you need for small cuts and bruises and stuff like that. I like it. Very cool, very simple first aid kit. The only criticism I would give, it's plastic, so it's way heavier than a material like this type of bag. They could have come up with some kind of survival kit that is a lot lighter. So that's the only complaint about that. Oh no, it's all wet. Why is it wet? Shipping. So we got here flashlight. Of course it does not come with batteries, but it's zoomable flashlight. I like that a lot. I'm so glad I'm opening this stuff as soon as I got it. Second flashlight. And of course it does not come with batteries, does it? Yep, you need 3 AAA batteries. So when you guys buy survival kits like that, make sure you open it up and check for the batteries. Because, you know, you think, oh, I'm ready, I have the survival kit I bought. But it does not come with the batteries. So I wonder what got busted. This one is wet too. It's a pretty awesome lantern. Boom, wow. Also, looks like no batteries. We need 3 AA batteries. You know, this is a survival kit. Least they could do is at least give me a pack of batteries. Sometimes you don't want to leave the batteries inside of the electronics because they might go bad and destroy the electronics. But at least they could have add on the batteries into here. Looks like another lantern. I really like that. Power is outage, you can pull this stuff out. Okay. Looks like we have this foldable bowls. So the stuff you boil in that metal pot, they eat you out of this foldable plastic pieces. I like those a lot, lightweight. Okay, and this is the stuff that I might have to get rid of. This is so wet, oh my gosh. Agua, 1 liter. Check this out. And it's all busted up. I don't think this one is busted. Let's figure it out. Definitely this one. And it looks like it opened from the top over here. And the way to figure it out is just squeeze on it. Usually water stays good indefinitely. But again, you know, there is a way better water storages. They have those Mylar bags or whatever they stay in. I never seen survival water in paper bags like that. You know what? I'm gonna do a little taste test. This stays good till 2024. Oh my gosh. But you know, as long as you store your water in a good conditions, like room temperature, not too hot, not too cold, that stuff should stay good. But as you can see, it already failed the test because it got busted in shipping. So maybe I would get a different survival water in a different material. That's good. Agua, liter. 5-year shelf life, emergency drinking water. Definitely one of a kind item. I never seen anything like that. Kind of weird drinking water out of a like paper bag. but that's delicious. So you would use that water to drink, you want to ration it and make all that food. Of course, if you can find clean water somewhere out in a forest, make sure you boil it, filter it, kill all the bacteria, and then you can make food as well. But in case if you're stuck in the desert, you got water as well. I like it. So you know what, for all these items, probably most expensive items is this freeze-dried food. Those things goes pretty expensive. Knives, water filter, backpack, and then you have small items that adds up. This survival emergency water, you'll be surprised. That stuff is really expensive, and this right here at least $15 for first aid kits. I love them. This is my favorite thing. And of course the handy bath, those stuff expensive as well, like wet naps. And you know what, I think everything is a high quality. So $300, if you were buying it every single item by yourself, you probably would have paid maybe even a little bit more. So they're pretty much selling it almost as bulk. So I like it. At least I'm not paying a lot more money for something that I could buy a lot cheaper. I think it's pretty fair. It's pretty good survival kit. But at the end of the day, I probably would have, if I was building my own $300 survival kit, I would have not include this emergency blood kit, metal, wood stove, and I probably would only put in one flashlight and maybe 2 lanterns. I like that. Even if you have a lot of people, 1 lantern could be visible for everybody. And I would have included into something else. Also, water have failed. I never seen any of that kind of survival water in a container like that before, so that was pretty interesting and new. And obviously different emergency kit. I don't too much weight. But overall, I'm happy with this survival kit. Let me know in comments below what do you think about this video. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.